In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 30 stocks in a Tradingview watch list using a simple and accurate trick. If you've ever bumped into a list limit and wished you could track more symbols without clutter, this approach keeps everything tidy while letting you follow as many stocks as you need. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart or even the home screen. Either view works because the watchlist panel is available from both. On the right side of your screen, look for the Watchlist panel. If it isn't visible, hover near the right edge until you see the Panel tab and click it to open. At the very top of the Watchlist panel, you'll see the name of your current list. Click that name to open the drop-down menu. From here, choose Create New List. Give your list a clear, descriptive name, something like Tech AM, Dividend Picks, or US Large Caps. Naming with a category or range helps you stay organized once you have multiple lists. When you're happy with the name, save it. Now add up to 30 stocks to this new watch list. Use the search bar within the watch list panel to find each symbol, then click to add it to the list. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct ticker and exchange, especially if a company trades on multiple markets. This prevents duplicates and keeps your list accurate. You can also reorder items by dragging them within the panel to group related names together. Here's the trick to go beyond 30. When you reach the cap for that list, repeat the process to create additional watch lists. Click the watch list name at the top again, select Create New List, name it clearly, perhaps continuing your naming scheme like TechNZ or Value Watch, and save. Then add up to 30 more stocks to this second list. Keep going as needed. Think of each list as a chapter in a book. Together, they cover all the names you want without hitting the single list limit. Switching between watch lists is simple. Click the watch list name at the top of the panel and choose the list you want from the dropdown. Your panel will instantly show the symbols from that specific list, letting you focus on one group at a time without mixing everything together. This makes scanning, comparing, and managing alerts much cleaner. That's all you need to expand beyond 30 symbols in a clean, structured way. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.